Hi again, everyone. I'm Mike Konrad, member of the SMTA Global Board of Directors and Vice President of Communications. I'm back with you for your SMTA update for August 2025. Here's what's happening across our global SMTA community. The High Reliability Cleaning and Conformal Coating Conference takes place August 12th through 14th in Dallas, Texas. With 3 professional development courses and approximately 20 technical presentations, this is a must-attend event for manufacturers of electronic devices operating in harsh environments. The Taiwan chapter will host the Students and Young Professionals Workshop Wednesday, August 13th. This collaborative event focuses on idea sharing among professors and students. Attendees will learn about research conducted by other groups and explore resource sharing opportunities. The event will also feature career development sessions, internship, job opportunities, guest experts, raffles, giveaways, and complimentary food and beverages. The Michigan chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum on Tuesday, August 19th in Livonia, Michigan. Join them for 3 technical presentations and a free lunch. Doors open at 8:30 a.m. The Ohio Valley chapter will host its annual Expo and Technical Forum on Thursday, August 21st in Independence, Ohio. This event features 2 technical presentations followed by a happy hour with EMAC, the Electronics Manufacturing Assembly Collaborative. Grab a drink and find out how you can help shape the future of our industry's workforce. The Korean Alliance will host a Semiconductor Advanced Packaging Technology Seminar on August 27th through 28th at the Suwon Convention Center. This seminar features 16 technical presentations covering a wide range of advanced packaging topics. The Atlanta chapter will host a Design for Manufacturing, or DFM, roundtable on Thursday, August 28th in Duluth, Georgia. Join panelists Gary Webb from Tiger Labs, Andy Shaughnessy from iConnect 007, and Albert Gaines from High Gain Design Services for a lively, open discussion on DFM from both design and process engineering perspectives. Doors open at 4:30 p.m. Enjoy dinner, networking, and some spirited DFM banter. And mark your calendars. Coming this fall, SMTA International, or SMTAI 2025, October 19th through 23rd at the Rosemont Exhibition Center. This year's conference features approximately 90 technical presentations across 6 focus tracks: additive electronics, advanced packaging, low-temperature solder, manufacturing excellence, reliability in harsh environments, and test and inspection. Also offered, 10 half-day professional development courses. This is SMTA's signature technical event, so don't miss it. Not a member yet? Now's the perfect time to join SMTA. Membership includes access to over 6,000 searchable technical papers, on-demand webinars, 101 and 201 level training courses, now included for all members at no additional cost. SMTA certification courses, networking opportunities, career resources, and a global network of local chapters. Since we added training courses at no additional cost, members have responded enthusiastically, downloading courses at unprecedented levels. It's all about serving our members. If your company is an SMTA corporate member, ask for your login credentials to start enjoying full access. Individual memberships are available for just pennies a day. Visit smta.org for more details or to register for upcoming events. Well, that's it for your August SMTA update. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again in September.